Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Xander. Make sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. What we're going to be doing today is that we're going to be watching some public fireworks that you probably can't see if you're in quarantine, but I'm going to let you see them by videoing this. So let's do this. Oh, there's a cat. They should be in the backyard. What a cat. So, oh shoot, they're in the front, I think. I'm going in the front. I think they're in the front. Yesterday they were. Guys, keep your eyes peeled if you see fireworks. Because if I don't see them, I probably won't be able to get. Yeah. So keep your eyes peeled. Combination. I wanna go on the pot. Don't be wanna hear tonight. I'm past your expect. Man, is that a car? Is that a car? That's a car. Dang. Where are they coming from? Are they coming from the backyard? I think they're coming. If you guys don't see them, they're going through the trees, guys. Now I'm gonna let you try to see as much for you as I can. Ooh, let me guys show you the cats. That white one right there is cool. It just pounced. So guys, I'm sorry that you couldn't see that much of the fireworks, but I'm glad that you could see some of it, because you probably can't see them because you could be quarantined. But stay tuned, because I might go to Walmart, and that's where a lot of fireworks will be, and I might video this. So bye guys.